I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Enable mobile data and confirm tethering on your plan so you avoid sudden throttles or blocks. Once done, choose your connection: USB for stability and speed, Wi-Fi hotspot for convenience, or Bluetooth for low power. Make sure to set a strong WPA2 password and a clear SSID. This prevents random devices from joining. Plug the phone or turn the hotspot on. Then connect your PC. This first action gets you online quickly and securely. Next, configure your PC to use the mobile link properly and why it matters. Open Network Settings and choose the active adapter. USB tethering appears as Ethernet, hotspot as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth as PAN. Then set adapter priority so traffic prefers the mobile link, and disable other adapters that could cause routing conflicts. If you need faster name resolution, change DNS to a reliable resolver like 1.1.1.1. Finally, monitor data usage on both devices and close background sync apps to conserve bandwidth. To finish, secure the connection and know one quick troubleshooting tip. Enable your phone's firewall or use a VPN for sensitive work, and keep both devices updated to avoid driver or stack bugs. If the PC loses access, first toggle airplane mode or restart both devices. This clears transient network states. If problems persist, check USB drivers on the PC, verify the carrier APN and tethering permissions, and reconfigure hotspot settings. These steps resolve most stubborn connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.